Mercedes, known for its luxurious high-end cars, has been manufacturing automobiles since 1901. Each Mercedes-Benz vehicle showcases a distinctive star emblem, symbolizing its status beyond mere transportation. These cars have gained immense value and desirability over a century, comparable to fine vintage wines. Mercedes-Benz's journey to this esteemed position involved years of dedication in perfecting a wide range of top-quality vehicles. The models described below represent true magnificence, albeit at a significant cost, appealing to collectors as coveted possessions. While purchasing one of the world's 15 most expensive Mercedes may be out of reach for many, the opportunity to explore their features and stories remains. Let's begin with the most affordable model and ascend towards the highest priced offering. Crafted from an aluminum space frame and carbon fiber, the Mercedes-AMG Vision Gran Turismo is a lightweight marvel, drawing inspiration from the world of motor racing. Its AMG V8 biturbo engine delivers lightning-fast responsiveness to even the slightest throttle input. With a maximum torque of 800 Nm and a power output of 430 kilowatts, it boasts an impressive power-to-weight ratio of only 2.43 kilograms per horsepower. The AMG SpeedShift DCT 7-speed sports transmission ensures an exhilarating driving experience for all. Notably, the car's sound is a testament to AMG's engine noise expertise, producing a mighty howl carefully tuned to evoke the adrenaline-inducing ambience of a racetrack. This extraordinary masterpiece comes with a price tag of approximately $1.5 million. Granting exclusive ownership to those who seek its uniqueness. The G650 Landaulet is an exceptionally rare all-terrain vehicle, limited to only 99 units. It boasts remarkable features such as a V12 engine, portal axles, an electric fabric top, and exclusive equipment in the rear compartment, with impressive dimensions and generous seating for four. It surpasses expectations as both a luxurious chauffeur saloon and a capable off-road vehicle. The front passengers and driver are shielded by a fixed roof, while the rear seat passengers can enjoy a panoramic view of the sky through a large folding top. The back seats provide individual seating with excellent views, and electric glass dividers offer customizable privacy. Acquiring this unparalleled vehicle comes with a price tag of up to $1.8 million. Taking efficiency to the next level on the streets. The Mercedes-AMG 1 represents the ultimate embodiment of sports car driving. This hypercar boasts an electronically limited top speed of 352 km per hour, and achieves remarkable acceleration, going from 0 to 200 km per hour in just 7.0 seconds, or from 0 to 300 km per hour in 15.6 seconds. The One's efficiency matches its exceptional power and handling, with a regenerative braking system that recovers up to 80% of the energy from braking, and an EQ Power Plus hybrid drive system. It offers a wide range of driving modes, from fully electric to highly sporty. This hypercar's estimated price is approximately $2.8 million. The Mercedes-Benz SLR Sterling Moss delivers an unparalleled driving experience that engages all the senses, seamlessly combining captivating aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. This exclusive luxury vehicle was manufactured in a limited production run of just 75 units. catering to both competitive drivers and avid collectors. The Sterling Moss edition of this modern classic supercar, with its roof removed, exudes an even greater sense of power. Compared to the standard SLR McLaren, thanks to its 5.5-litre V8 engine, generating 641 brake horsepower. Shedding 200 kilograms in weight enhances the power-to-weight ratio, resulting in improved performance. Recent reports from a TV company indicate that the price for the Mercedes-McLaren SLR Sterling Moss reached an astonishing $4,035,000. The oldest Mercedes cars often command high prices, and the 1928 Mercedes-Benz Type S Sports Tourer stands out as one of the most exceptional and expensive vehicles in the brand's history. In 2021, a restored 1928 Mercedes-Benz Type S Sports Tourer fetched a staggering $5.395 million at Bonhams. With its elongated coach-shaped chassis and elegant sweeping fenders, this vintage vehicle appeals to enthusiasts of both Art Deco and industrial design. However, it is the car's captivating history that truly makes it remarkable. Originally purchased and delivered to London from Dresden, it later passed through the hands of several British owners, who used it to explore their homeland. In 1964, the present owner's father acquired the car, after it had changed ownership multiple times in the United States. The final owner extensively drove the Type S, serving as its primary driver in its later years. The Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster debuted at the Berlin Motor Show in 1934, followed by the Mercedes-Benz 380 a year later. Despite the 500K having a larger, more powerful engine, both cars shared the same advanced autonomous suspension. With dual wishbone front axle and double joint swing axle at the rear, it was a standout 1930s road car, capable of reaching 100 miles per hour, thanks to its sleek design and impressive supercharged performance reaching up to 110 miles per hour. Today, its value far exceeds the original purchase price. In 2016, a Mercedes-Benz 500K Special Roadster was auctioned for $5.92 million. The 1955 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL alloy gullwing is widely recognized as the world's inaugural true supercar, and this particular example exemplifies its excellence. Equipped with a 3-liter NSL engine, the 300 SL features an alloy body and comes with various factory options. This model boasts a high-speed rear axle and suspension that have been finely tuned. In the 1950s, Mercedes emerged victorious in prestigious races like Le Mans, the Carrera Panamericana, the Mille Miglia, and the Liège Rome Liège, thanks to the rare and lighter alloy versions of the 300 SL. Mercedes produced only 24 units of the alloy variants, in stark contrast to the 1,371 ordinary steel models that were manufactured. The Maybach Exelero, created by the renowned German luxury automaker Maybach, stands as one of the most exorbitantly priced vehicles ever produced, with a staggering price tag of $8 million. It boasts a remarkable top speed of 351 km per hour. During testing, the vehicle achieved an impressive top speed of 218.38 miles per hour, weighing a hefty 3 tons. Powering this extraordinary vehicle is a twin-turbo 12-cylinder engine that generates a remarkable 700 horsepower, showcasing its impressive performance capabilities. However, this incredible engine consumes 8 liters of gasoline per 2 kilometers traveled. Notably, the Maybach Exelero made a memorable appearance in the 2006 music video, Lost One, by Jay-Z. The exclusive ownership of this particular model belongs to Dr. Andre Action Diakite Jackson. The 1928 Mercedes-Benz 680S Torpedo Roadster was an early luxury vehicle, renowned for its exquisite craftsmanship. Built by Carrosserie J. Souchik in Paris, it featured lizard skin and purple heartwood interiors. Its long frame rails provided optimal weight distribution, enclosing both axles. With a 6,789 cc dual-carbureted 6-cylinder engine, generating 180 horsepower, it garnered praise for its exceptional design. The restoration process, led by Paul Russell and his team, involved sourcing 200 lizard skins from Southeast Asia, creating a new alloy for the body, and meticulously re-engraving nameplates. In 2013, an 85-year-old, 1928 Mercedes-Benz 680S Torpedo Roadster sold for an astonishing $8.25 million at Room Sotheby's auction. Its low mileage of 30,000 kilometers and ownership by only 2 individuals justified its remarkable value. The Mercedes-Benz SLR McLaren 999 Red Gold Dream unquestionably captivates with its striking visual appeal. Its new front spoiler, equipped with 128 LEDs, serving as daytime running lights, contributes to around 100 kilograms of downforce at speeds of 350 kilometers per hour. SLR-AMG placed a significant emphasis on power, elevating the output of the V8 supercharged engine from 650 horsepower to a range of 900 to 1000 horsepower. While there have been other notable SLR projects, Uli Anliker's Mercedes SLR McLaren 999 Red Gold Dream stands out as an undeniable masterpiece. Recent estimates suggest that this artistic marvel commands a value of nearly $9 million today. The 1936 Mercedes-Benz 540K Special Roadster was an exclusive and highly sought-after vehicle, representing the epitome of automotive engineering and design. Its timeless beauty remains unchanged since its production, with a coach-built chassis cleverly concealing the spare tire for added elegance. Each Roadster was meticulously crafted according to individual buyer specifications, making them truly custom-built. These 1936 Mercedes-Benz 540K Special Roadsters are incredibly rare, as many were lost during World War II. However, a single surviving exemplar managed to withstand the test of time. On August 20, 2022, this exceptional vehicle was auctioned for an astounding $9.9 million, emphasizing its status as a prized collector's item. The CLK GTR in question was originally sold to Hermann Dieter Eschmann in Germany in 1997, making it the 9th unit produced, according to Gooding & Company. In 2005, it underwent its first ownership transfer, and eventually found its way to the Cheval Trust, based in Seattle. Despite being more than 2 decades old, this formidable machine still retains a showroom-like appearance, having only accumulated a mere 1,442 kilometers throughout its existence. Powered by a V12 engine with a displacement of 6.9 liters, it delivers an impressive output of 450 kilowatts and 775 newton-meters of torque. With rear-wheel drive configuration, it can achieve a speed of 100 kilometers per hour in approximately 3.8 seconds. At the 2012 Pebble Beach auctions, this remarkable special roadster, previously owned by a German baroness, claimed the highest selling price among all vehicles. Following her passing in 1989, the car found a home in a Connecticut garage, where it stayed untouched for the next 40 years. Once the new owners took possession of the vehicle, they embarked on a comprehensive restoration project. Inside the car, one can find pigskin upholstery, a Telefunken radio, and various other personalized details that adorn the interior. On the exterior, the 540K is elegantly painted black, while the driver's door showcases the painstakingly hand-painted emblem of the von Krieger family. The 1954 model showcased an exceptional combination of high-performance capabilities and luxurious features, making it stand out among its class, surpassing even the most expensive Porsche models. A significant milestone occurred in 1955, when Juan Manuel Fangio secured victory in the French Grand Prix, marking the first German car triumph since World War II. This extraordinary piece of machinery has ascended to become one of the most coveted and valuable antique automobiles worldwide. In 2013, it was sold for an astonishing $29.65 million, solidifying its rarity and desirability among the Mercedes vehicle lineup. It remains a truly exceptional motorsport artifact that is unmatched in its scarcity. Lastly, we arrive at the undeniable champion of the list. The world's most expensive car. Merely 2 racing prototype 300 SLR Uhlenhaut coupes were ever created. Affectionately named the red and the blue, based on their respective interior colors. The W196S 300 SLR Uhlenhaut Coupe boasts an impressive top speed of 186 miles per hour, with a curb weight of 1,986 pounds, and a fuel consumption rate of 40 liters per 100 kilometers. Powering this extraordinary machine is an inline 8-cylinder petrol engine, with the designation M196S. The engine generates a maximum output of 310 PS, 306 bhp or 228 kilowatts, and 317 newton-meters of torque. Equipped with rear-wheel drive and a 5-speed manual transmission, this remarkable car truly embodies automotive excellence.